Hello everyone. We are going to learn a new design of Ganeshji. For that, first we will draw the Ganeshji, and this is the design in the form of petals. So first roughly we will find the midpoint of the paper, and from the top around 2 inches we'll mark a point. And same thing we'll do from the bottom also, 2 inches we will mark the point. This will tell us that our Ganeshji will come in between this segment. Now I'm going to draw a petal, a leaf in the shape. This leaf we will draw in such a way that it will give us the shape of trunk of Ganeshji. Now I'm going to draw another 2 leaves to show the ears. We will make sure that both the ears have almost same length and almost same width. Third step is to draw a big leaf that is representing Ganeshji's stomach. Then here we are drawing 2 more leaves because these 2 are just like his ends. And here we are going to show 1 leaf as one and other leaf as another feet. So this is our basic drawing of Ganeshji. This way. This is our basic drawing of Ganeshji. We have drawn the outer body of Ganeshji. Now we are drawing the eyes, eyebrows. We are showing the veins of the leaves. So we will show double line and we will not fill any color in these lines. We will fill the color around these lines. So I am drawing this. Very simple. Now, here we will show in other leaves also, we will show the lines, and always we will show double lines. This side, lines are going up. These are the veins of the leaf. we have to be very, very careful that the green color which we will fill in the leaves will not go in between the double lines. With this, our drawing part is ready. I'm going to use mainly 3-4 colors. One is yellow, okay, it's gamboge hues, then there is sap green and there is dark green. Water with us, and we will take water in the palette, very little water, not too much water. So I have made the yellow color ready. I want to make it little lighter, so I have used the same brush for sap green so that it will become lighter color. Then third color is this green. It's very dark green like algae, and in this we will mix little bit of black color, okay, so that it will become more darker. So to mix the black color, I'm going to use another brush. This brush I will put in the water, wash it. So I'm going to use another brush. This is another brush, and we will use black color because I want to make it very, very dark color. So here it comes. This is also ready. Now how to start? First, we will fill light green, sap green color in between the petals. So I am starting from the ear. This is the sap green color. I am going to fill it here, leaving the white space. We have to be very careful. Don't take too much color like this. We will fill the color in one ear, and we will continue filling color in other parts of the Ganesha. This is another ear. This is sap green color which I am using. We are using sap green color for the filling, and we are leaving white space in between so that it will give a better watercolor effect. Once this color will be dry, then we will do outline with dark, very dark green color, almost green and black mix. So 4 petals are covered now. We are starting the stomach portion. For stomach portion, I am mixing more yellow with green so that this green is different. Now here we are starting with this. Very slowly we have to bring, and gradually we can change the color to make it darker. Move your hand in one direction. So friends, I have used yellow and sap green, and I have made this color for here, then sap green here, then dark green and sap green here, and now one shade darker here. Slowly I am making the shades darker in the body of Ganesh ji. These are all watercolors. And the last part, here I will use very dark color. I am intentionally leaving this white space in between. Move your brush in one direction only. And with this, the body of Ganesh ji is ready. Now we are going to make the face of Ganesh ji. So for the face, I have taken yellow color. We have to be very careful while putting the color. We will not put yellow color on the eye. Inside the eye also we will leave white. Since it is watercolor, so it dries very fast. Paper is absorbing the paint and water very fast. Now I am mixing more water in the color. We'll make sure no yellow color goes inside the eyes. Eyes will remain white and black only. And slowly we are bringing this yellow color down. So one side is complete, second side also. We will do it like this. May Lord Ganesha give everybody lots of prosperity, success, good health. We have filled colors in the Ganesh ji. Now I am going to use this very dark green color. This is a 000 number brush with me, and I am going to give outline everywhere. So to give outline, I'll start from here because other side is still wet. I will start from here. We can give outline with black color also. If you are not comfortable with brush, then you can use brush pen. That will help you. You can easily draw the outline. So eye is ready. We will always leave white color in the eye. Now second eye. Again here we leave a white circle. And we'll check both eyebrows are ending near the eye bit. Now, simple outline work, very simple work. We will start from here. Everywhere we'll give a dark green color line and we will leave white space in between. So friends, we are doing this outline with dark green color. This sleeve is a hand for Ganesh Ji. The last is this feet. It's orange and red I will mix. But before that we have to make sure that our yellow is dry. If yellow is not dry, then we will wait for yellow to dry. So I have mixed orange and red. I will check. It's not yet dry. So we can do one thing. In the meantime, we can do the background. For background, it's better to use little bigger brush. Advantage of having masking tape is this, that color will not go to the border. We can decorate the border later on as we wish. We can leave it like that and we can decorate also. So now here we have to be very careful. We have given the red color background. It is red and orange mix. And now I'm going to use the maroon color to make the dots on the Ganesh Ji. So here I'm making a dot for tilak. And here I'm giving dots, very small dots on the trunk, just the decoration on the trunk. If you want, you can give on both the sides. If you want, you give on one side. And this tilak, I will make it like with this, our painting is ready. It's still wet. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. May God bless you with lots of good health and prosperity. Thank you for watching my video.